In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop YouTube videos from playing while scrolling. So if you're just scrolling through the YouTube video homepage timeline just like this, you discover that all the YouTube videos on the home screen or homepage will keep playing automatically. You can see this. So here in this video, you learn how to stop all these videos from playing automatically when you are scrolling on the YouTube homepage. So if I download this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do when we want to put an end to YouTube videos playing from home screen while scrolling is open the YouTube application just like this. Then click on the U icon at the bottom right if you're using an Android. There you go. Then click on settings icon at the top right. Locate the general settings under the settings. Once you selected general, you want to scroll down a bit until you get to playback and feeds. Click on that. Now choose a pop that says, do you want to play back and feeds to be always on, use Wi-Fi only or off? So if you select always on, the YouTube videos is going to start playing whenever you are scrolling on the YouTube homepage. Either you're connected to Wi-Fi or you're using your mobile network. If you selected Wi-Fi, this will only work on the Wi-Fi network. So it's only going to play while scrolling on the YouTube homepage or home screen when your device is connected to Wi-Fi. However, to stop the YouTube videos from playing while scrolling completely on the YouTube home screen or homepage, select off. Then once you selected that, this change may affect your data saving settings to pop up. Then you can click on view to see if in the right. However, if you don't bother about that, then you can go to the YouTube application home screen. Then let's go back again, refresh the home screen. Then discover that when scrolling through the YouTube home screen, the YouTube videos will no longer playing while scrolling. You see that? So this is how you can stop YouTube videos from playing while scrolling on the YouTube home screen. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.